Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to the judges and everyone here. We are the AI Avengers from SK Seri Penanti. Our team consists of three 11-year-old students. I'm Firdaus, and with me are Irfan and Ikwan. We are honored to present our project for the Imagine Cup Junior, and it's called Green CleanBot, a smart, eco-friendly classroom cleaner powered by AI. Let's start with the problem. In many schools, including ours, classrooms are often not cleaned properly. Why is this important? Because 1. Health risks. Dirty classrooms can spread germs, bacteria, and viruses. 2. Learning impact. Students cannot focus in a messy, uncomfortable environment. 3. Environmental issues. Cleaning usually uses harmful chemicals and a lot of water. 4. Time wasted. Teachers or janitors need time to clean manually, which is not always efficient. We asked ourselves, can AI help make our classrooms cleaner, safer, and greener? The answer is yes. That's why we designed Green CleanBot, a robot that uses AI to clean classrooms autonomously, efficiently, and sustainably.
Now let me introduce to you how the Green CleanBot actually works. This robot is not just a vacuum or mop. It is a smart AI-powered cleaner that can then decide and acts all on its own. Let's break it into 5 main functions. 1. Autonomous cleaning. Using AI and sensors, the Kalimbo moves around the classroom by itself. It avoids chair, table, and even students. It identifies dirty areas and chooses the best and faster route to clean. 2. Smart sensors. It has sensors to detect dust, dirt, and bacteria on floors, tables, and even the air. If students have eaten snack or made a mess, the robot will notice and prioritize that spot. It don't waste time or energy. 3. Energy and resource efficiency. AI help it learn when and where to clean. For example, after research, the cleanbot will automatically start cleaning the most used areas. This help reduce energy as and avoid over cleaning. 4. Waste sorting and recycling. Our cleanbot don't just clean, it spares trash into recyclable and non-recyclable using AI image recognition. Paper, plastic bottle, and food waste go into different bins. That goes for the planet. 5. Data-driven learning. The robot collects data on which areas are often dirty, and when cleaning is most needed, it becomes smarter over time. That the power of AI always learning and improving. So, in short, the Green Clean Bot is not just a cleaner, it's a learning machine that help keep our classroom safe, clean, and eco-friendly.
Thank you, Ifan. Now let's talk about the benefit and ethical values of Green Clean Board. Number one, better health and hygiene. By cleaning frequently and smartly, the clean board reduce the spread of germs. This means fewer sick days and healthier students and teachers. Number two, save time and effort. No more last minute sweeping before class. Teachers and janitors can focus on more important tasks. The robot work quietly in the background. 3. Environmentally friendly. It uses less water, less electricity, and no harmful chemical. It recycles waste properly. So it protect nature while it cleaning. 4. Improve learning environment. A clean class helps students focus better. Learning become more fun and comfortable. 5. Promote awareness and responsibility. Students who see this robot working will learn how technology and AI can help the environment. It inspires us to think differently.
Now let's talk about ethics. Is AI fair? Yes. It don't favor any area. It cleans based on real data and real dirt levels. Is AI safe? Yes. It avoids obstacles. It's quiet and doesn't use chemicals. Teacher can monitor or stop it anytime. Is AI honest? Yes. It shows report on what it cleaned and what it didn't. This is full transparency. Can AI make mistake? Sometimes yes, like misreading a stain, but it learns and improves every time. So what our final message? The Green Clean Bot is not just a cool robot. It is a responsible, intelligent solution to a real world problem. It shows how young students like us can use AI to make a difference. While we believe what with the right tools and ideas, even kids can help build a better world. Thank you, judges, and friends, for your time. We are the AI Avengers, and we're proud to make classroom cleaner, safer, and smarter.